I'm gonna play some drums right now. In the back porch right now, and it's raining kind of hard, so it's real nice right now. Let's see if we can get some thunder action. See if we can get some thunder action. It's all wet right here. Come on. Come on, thunder. Come on, thunder. I feel it. It's coming right over there. I betcha. Come on, baby. Thunder, lightning. I see. I'm going to feel it right there. Right there. See what I'm pointing? Right in that area. Right there. I'm feeling it. It's going to be like... Hey, what's going on? Sitting here outside. It's a nice raining day. So, I'm just hanging outside right now, and I'm just enjoying the peacefulness of the rain. Just enjoying it. Nice and rainy. I love it. But yeah, I want to get some thunder action right now. Get some thunder action. Let's see if we can catch anything over there. Come on, baby. Come on. Thunder and lightning. Look at the water output. We're getting some good old water now. Some good old water. A beautiful plant. Oh jeez. Oh, right there. Right there. It's good. Camera's not waterproof, but whatever. Come on, lightning. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. There's a football game later on tonight, so the ground should be very intensely wet. Hey, what's going on? It's nice and raining right now. Just enjoying the rain. Oh, we're getting a little lightning. Oh yeah, that's good. That's real nice. But yeah, start a conversation. I love thunder or lightning, whatever. I actually have a theory on capturing lightning. I mean, I don't have the like $52 trillion to like put it out in the market, but I do have a theory though in my brain. My dog right here, Chadley, he is absolutely terrified of the rain and the lightning. He can't stand it. Look, he's so close to me right now. Usually he's just like just playing around the yard. And we got another dog, Max. We got him, I'd say 2 years ago on Mother's Day, and he took after Chad, and he's like, I think he's getting like 13 years old right now. But I mean, Max totally took after what he does. Like, they'll chase lizards around the yard. They'll go, you know, they'll hang out together and stuff, but it's just like Max learned off what Chad was doing and kind of does the same thing he's doing now. He's terrified of lightning. So yeah. My friend Jordan called me today, or no, he called me yesterday. I looked up on the caller ID. It's like, doot, doot, doot. Oh, Jordan called. Give him a call. Hey, Jordan, what's going on? Hey, how's it going, man? And we were just talking. He's doing good. He got in a car accident, and they were coming up to a stop sign, right? And they stopped, and this guy came right behind them, some Johnny, and was like, doo 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 doo, boom, right in the rear. No, I don't know. Jordan's just one of those guys that just your best friend. But yeah, still recording. And he just called me today to say, like, because he was just thinking about me, and he's like, Elijah is such a good friend. I mean, because I went to, this is Chino Valley, and there's Prescott, like, right over there somewhere. Went there, and probably like 2 weeks in, he decided to move and go to California, so kind of a bummer, but he just wanted to give me a call and say, you know, you're an awesome friend, and you came to Prescott High School for me, and so I love the guy.